Here we go.
Yes. You were telling me this car was owned by your dad?
Yeah. He bought it brand new in '91, and he passed last July. And about 2 years before that, he wasn't able to drive for like 5 years, and me and my brother thought it'd be better for the car just to have it run regularly, so we got it all ready, like certified and all that, and we bought it off him. And yeah, we take it out in the country and give it a good little thrashing every now and again.
The Italian tune-up?
Yeah, yeah. We don't want to hurt anybody though.
Of course, safety first.
Exactly. It's perfect. It's yeah, everything works perfectly. It's not that powerful, but it's powerful enough, and it's thrilling. It's got a nice high rev level of 8,000, and yeah, the handling is just unbelievable. And the chicks love it, so
can't complain about that.
Exactly. Yeah, Honda was doing some pretty good Formula One motors at this time.
Those were the golden years.
They were the golden years, all right.
Yeah, this one, the V10 and the V12s.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even the V6 Honda was a savage.
Yes.
Oral beast. I mean, your ears were just bleeding when they would go by. I went to Montreal 32 years in a row for the Formula One, Europe and Italy, and then when they changed that formula, I should go right and then up, yeah?
Yes, you could do that.
When they went to that turbo hybrid, I never missed an F1 session. When they did that, I left the race halfway through. It was just like, fuck, this is awful. And they still kind of sound crappy, really.
Yeah, they have this.
It's like
Yeah.
I used to think IndyCar sucked, and now I go and hang out at the exit of Turn 3 and watch them, and they sound terrific compared to the ones in Montreal.
Oh yeah, and the thing about it too is that they downsize the size of the motor just for the turbo, and then it's already a quieter sound because of the turbo.
Yeah.
So it doesn't really go hand in hand for the experience.
No.
At all. But this was a pure Ayrton Senna masterpiece. And you told me you named your daughter after.
I did. Yeah. I didn't even root for him at the time, but then you just realize when I think it was Michael Andretti was teammate for a year.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you watch it in Montreal, and it's the first time you could ever see that one driver's so much better.
Yeah. I remember there was an engineer
and
who
this
said,
is Max Verstappen now, right?
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
I remember one engineer said Ayrton clipped the wall, and he said the wall moved, right? And he didn't believe him at first. He's like, oh yeah, sure, the wall moved. And lo and behold, he went to go check the corner, and someone had bumped it with their wheel.
Take a look at that.
Right?
Yeah.
And
moved it a little.
He was driving so precise, just that little bump was enough to blow off that concrete wall and make him go into it.
This car has a very long first gear, which I find really, really nice, because sometimes you kind of get bogged down, like a first gear that's super short.
Yeah.
Comes in with too much torque, too quick. So if you're like in a technical part, it gives you a lot more to do. This one you can wind it out in first a little bit, and you can also do it and not feel like you're destroying your car and motor. Really.
Yeah, for sure.
Because I don't really like planning it until I'm into a minimum a second.
Right.
Yeah. There goes the heat right there.
Oh yeah.
Bumpy in there.
Oh yeah.
But it's nice when you're cruising on the highway at like 70 miles an hour. You feel like you're in a Cadillac. That's the best part. Good?
Yeah, that was good. That was awesome. That was really good.
And you got to rev match yourself, which is kind of nice.
Old school.
You know, you really do put this car on. I was at the going to get some beers, and there's a dad there with his daughter, and I turned off the lights. Dad, the lights.
I freaked her out.
Yeah.
Sound, it's beautiful.
Isn't it nice?
It is beautiful.
I'd like to rip it right down here, but there's always police.
Yeah, this is their known spot for hanging out.
They love it here. They love this little 50 that sneaks up on you.
Oh yeah.
They reach out and snatch it. The long arm of the
It's
law.
like taking candy from a kid.
Is it fall yet?
Officially today.
Today, okay. Another beautiful fall day in Toronto.
Yeah, can't complain about that.
There's the heat right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Waiting.
Right behind the bush, eh?
Oh yeah, they're waiting. It's a Sunday morning, they know people are out for drives.
Yeah. Not bad, not bad,
I must say. It's
yeah,
just
beautiful little shifter too.
Oh, yeah.
Right? It's just like little notches.
Yeah.
And the clutch doesn't get grumpy, and
Well, that's the one thing you don't want, right? In traffic,
oh
especially in this Toronto traffic.
yeah,
It's the worst.
legendary Toronto traffic.
Yeah.
The SRS in the red thing up there, that's the airbag.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this car being 34 years old or something like that. I guess it's time for the new airbags.
Yeah. Well, that's amazing. Well kept condition. You know, amazing.
A friend of his had one and put 500 on it.
Oh wow.
Didn't really do much to it. Like, change the oil.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's all you need.